Hi my kids, and nice to see you again with this new video about animals and alphabet. Do you know this animal? No, that's not elephant. No, that's not giraffe. That's a horse. Horse starts with letter H. Let's look for H. Horse. Horse. H. Is that H? Yes, that's H. Then ho. O, horse. Is that O? Yes, that's O. Or. You see R. I can't see R. Do you see it? Very difficult, huh? Do you see R? Help me if you see one. I can see one now. It's there on the right side. Yes, that's the one. Yes. No, no. Come on. Yes, that's R. Horse. Horse. S. S. Is that S? Yes. Then at the end there should be E. Horse. 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 Do you see E? I can't see one. No, that's not E, that's F. We're looking for E. Is that E? Yes, that's E. Horse. Horse. H. O. R. Sorry. S and E. Horse. Horse. Horse is a farm animal. Horse. Horse. What's next animal? What is that? That's a farm animal, right? You know the name? Yes, that's a cow. Cow. Cow is a farm animal. Cow. Cow starts with letter C. Let's look for C. Can you help me please? I can't find it, but I see one. Do you see it also? C. Cow. So cow. Oh, let's look for that circle. Is that O? Yes, that's O. Cow. W. You see W? Is that W? Yes. So cow. C-O-W. Cow. C O W. Cow. What's that animal? That's a bird. It's a, yeah, we call it chicken, but also we call it hen. Hen. H. Hen. H. Let's look for H. Is that H? No, that's not. That's Z. H. The same one like horse. The one we used for horse. Do you remember? That's R, my friend. That's not. H. It looks like kind of like M. No, that's K. H. Yes, that's H. E. Hen. E comes after H. That's L. No. Look again. Is that E? Yes, that's E. Hen. N is N. N. Hen. Thank you. Good job. H-E-N. Hen. Hen. What's this animal? That's a... You know where this animal lives. It's a camel. 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 Camel starts with C. That's I. I'm looking for C. C. Is that C? No, that's P. Look for C. C, just like cat. C. Is that C? Yes. That's C. Ka. I'm looking for A. Just like cat. That's another C. I'm looking for A. I'm not looking for C. I already have C. Do you see it? No, I can't. Yes. A. Ka. Kam. M. I'm looking for M. M. Just like mom. M. Yes, that's M. Come. Camel. Then E. No, that's you. I'm looking for E. E. Help me find E. Yes, that's E. Camel. 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 L. You see L. Camel. Is that L? Yes, it is L. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. What's this animal? That's a cat. Cat. Cat starts with letter C. Can you see C? That's C. Thank you. That's C. C, right? That's C. Then cat. A. No, that's M. No, that's S. Find me A. Is that A? Yes, that's A. So cat. So it should be T, right? Is it T? That's F. That's not T. I'm looking for T. Yeah. That's T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat goes meow, meow. Cat. Cat. What's this animal? That's a panda. Panda starts with what letter? It's P. No, that's F. I'm looking for P. Find me P. Is that P? Yes. That's P. Pa. So next should be A. Pan. Pa. So A. A comes after P. Then we have N. Pan. What is N? That's G. I'm looking for N. Do you see N? G is for giraffe. N. Yes, that's N. N. Panda. Da. So D. That's D. Correct. Panda. Okay, we are almost there. We need only one letter, and that's A. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. 5 letters. Panda. Panda. This is a duck. Duck. Duck starts with D. Duck. D. Let's look for D. Is that D? No, that's W. Is that D? Yes, that's D. 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 Duck. 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 So it's like A, but it's not. That's L. Duck. It should be U. U, yes. Is that U? Yes, it's U. So duck. Then should be next letter after U is C. Now that's B. I'm looking for C. Am I correct? Yes, C. Duck. Then we look for last letter is K. Is that K? No, that's T. I'm looking for K. Is that K? Yes, that's K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Next is hippo. 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 Hippo starts with H. Look for H. Is that H? Yes, that's H. Hippo. Then after H comes, can you guess? Is that I? Yes, I comes after H. Hippo. Hip. Looking for P. So P comes after. Yes. Hippo. Then it's a heavy P, so it should be double P. Hippo. Hippo or hippopotamus. Yes, so another P. Hippo. 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 O. So last letter is O. You guess it. O. Hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Hippo. Hippo.